Hello everyone, this is Dr. 𝗍𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 from Pune. I am visiting this center for the on a second occasion. First time I came here was in 2018. When I came in 2018, that was the first time I saw and I could understand that I am quite capable of doing this surgery. So this was the confidence that sir was able to inspire in me. And after 5 years when I am coming, I have got at least 50 MGBs behind my back. Now I met sir in 𝗍𝚋 and I requested him again that I would like to visit his place, because he said that certain techniques have changed, he has modified, he has evolved more. So I wanted to learn more from him, and what a feast it was. So we had a marathon of surgeries. There were 10 cases back to back yesterday. One redo surgery, one surgery was reversal of an MGB, and it was complete surgical fest for everyone. We got to learn a lot. We got a lot of techniques to learn from him. But the most important thing that someone can really learn from Dr. Jammu is the humility that this gentleman possesses. The humility at which he is able to explain his staff, he is able to explain his colleagues. The humility he has got towards the fellows like us who come over and try to learn things from him. That's really wonderful. So all the things that someone really needs to learn from him is the humility, I would say. Thank you so much.